Last time I mentioned that if we want to save performance in Unity, we will pack our artwork in a sprite sheet. But if we have our artwork separate, well, like this, so each obstacle in our case is on a separate, well, layer for itself, what we can do is we can take advantage of the Unity's texture packer. The way that works is that we will select all of our, well, artwork here, in our case our 5 obstacles, and as you can see here I have unchecked generate bitmaps and set the size to 512, true color, and also set pixels per unit to be 1 and then hit apply. Now back to our topic. When we select all of our, well, artwork here, we have this packing tag. Here we can name them. So let's say, for example, they are obstacles, and we are naming them obstacles and hitting apply. So make sure that each of these, well, individuals are obstacles. Now we can go under Window and then open our Sprite Packer. And here we can simply click on this pack, and what it will do is it will search through our sprites and find the sprites which have the same packing tag, in our case obstacles, and it will pack them together. So simply click on this pack here and we see that it has packed our, well, obstacles together in one sprite sheet. This is really a nice feature that is now available in the free version of Unity, and I just wanted to explain how can we use it, well, in order to boost the performance of our game.